Just add all to coffee. I never had this problem again. For today's tip, we will need water. And we'll insert 300 milliliters of it into a bowl. Let's use a meter to separate the exact amount needed. For the hint. Then we'll need coffee. And let's add 2 tablespoons of coffee. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Bernadette Moore from Illinois. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Let's mix the ingredients and separate for later. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Now we're gonna need another smaller container. And we will transfer a quantity until there is a finger left to complete the container. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised and let the mixture rest for 5 minutes. After that, we will need all. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. And we're going to enter an amount until it's the same as I did. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. Then we're gonna need a lid, and we're gonna drill a hole in it. They are fully responsible for aiding in the aroma of your home. And also, we'll need a wick. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. Let's cross the wick through the hole in the lid. Now let's make a knot to hold the wick. I'm sure this tip will be of great use to your home. The indicated is to use this mixture directly in the places that have problem with the mosquitoes. Serves perfectly also against ants and even cockroaches. After that, we will transfer the lid to the previously prepared mixture. Now just light the candle to see the ants and other insects running away from your home. The oil functions as fuel for the candle and the water to extinguish the candle in case it falls. I bet you didn't even know about this method. It is widely used in rural areas. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.